everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about an important part of data protection, something called the requirements for data processing. Don't worry, we'll break it down using simple words and everyday examples, so it's super easy to understand. Let's start with the basics. Whenever someone wants to process personal data, that means collecting it, using it, or sharing it, there have to be rules in place. These rules are about what's called the lawfulness of processing. Basically, this just means you can't collect or use people's personal data just because you feel like it. You need a valid reason, also known as a legitimate ground. Here's an example. Let's say you sign up for a gym membership. The gym asks for your name and phone number. That's fine. They need to contact you about classes or payments. But if they ask for your medical history or your family member's details, and it's not needed, that's a problem. They would need a much stronger reason to collect that kind of data. Now, let's talk about a special category of personal data. This includes things like health records, religious beliefs, race or ethnic origin, political opinions, biometric data. These are very sensitive, and the general rule is you're not allowed to process them, but there are some exceptions. Let's say you're in the emergency room at a hospital. The doctors need access to your medical history to treat you properly. In that case, the law allows it because it's urgently needed for medical reasons. Or imagine someone gives clear and informed consent, like filling out a health form before a surgery. That can be another exception. So, what have we learned? To process personal data, you need a good legal reason. And if it's sensitive data, like health or religion, it's usually not allowed unless there's a strong exception, like a medical emergency. Let's wrap up with a quick recap using an everyday example. Imagine you run a tutoring center. You ask for students' names and emails. That's fine. You have a valid reason. But asking them for their religious beliefs? That's a special category of data. And it's not okay unless you have a clear legal reason. By following these rules, you respect people's privacy and keep their data safe. Want to learn more? Understanding privacy and data protection is super important today. At CT Academy, we offer certified courses in privacy and data protection. We'll teach you everything you need to know in a simple, clear way.